right, here we are on the Discovery bus gassing up again.
Yeah!
Where are we going today?
We are going to the Crooked River State Park.
Wow, you're doing good. Keep it up.
This big boy is cranking.
We have another great video on how to have fun camping. Okay, here we are in Georgia.
Yes, a Crooked River State Park.
Okay, we made it, and boy, is it beautiful. Take a look at this, folks. And we just went by the bait shop, and here's the little check-in. It seems really nice. I'm excited.
I'm excited too. It's gonna be a nice place.
Let's go. Come on. Today we're going to give you the quick 5-minute campground review for Crooked River State Park. This is just north of Florida, located just a few miles from I-95 on the southern tip of Georgia's Colonial coast. The park is a perfect spot for enjoying the intercoastal waterways, and it's just beautiful forests. The campsites are surrounded by Spanish moss draped oaks, and it's really impressive. 500 acres. There's actually a bait and tackle shop there. Got 11 cottages, 63 tent, trailer, and RV campsites. They've actually got picnic shelters, group shelters, a boat ramp, a dock, nature center, playground. They even have Wi-Fi there at the park office. But overall, there's a lot of great things to do. Biking, bird watching, boating, fishing, a little bit of everything. Kayaking, hiking, of course. There's miniature golf, paddling, boat tours. And, nearby attractions include everything from Cumberland Island National Seashore to the Florida State Parks, the Golden Isles of Georgia. There's a bunch of islands around this area that are really fantastic. And overall, this was just a nice stop in between on the way up from Florida back to New Hampshire. We enjoyed it. The campsites were fantastic. Just beautiful views of the river from the campground area, and everything was well maintained, great quality. The cleaning, the bathrooms were outstanding, and we really enjoyed it. So here's some views around the campground, and we hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe, give us a like. We're going to do a lot of these 5-minute campground reviews for you on YouTube, and thank you so much. Wow, look how beautiful this is here at Crooked River State Park in Georgia. Wow, is this gorgeous or what?
It is.
It's unbelievable. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow, I love this campground. It's just beautiful.
It
I mean,
is.
Stunning beauty,
Well,
right?
It is a state park. It must be fantastic, right? I mean, I had a really cool expectation of it.
I mean, this is gorgeous. I think after the bait shop, the really cool little store, camp store, the next to the river so you can fish. You can just see it's just gorgeous. And the place is sold out, so you got to register ahead of time. But it is beautiful, and we're gonna give this 5 Discovery buses.
Yes, absolutely.
5.
5 over 5.
5 over 5. We really enjoy it here and love it. And this is the kind of place that it's just hard to leave once you get here. You just get comfortable, and next thing you know, you're in love with this place. So we're heading in now back to our campground, and hopefully you enjoy this video on the Crooked River Campground State Park in Georgia.